early immigrants to America, of course, they sent letters home and bragged shamelessly about how wonderful it was. So, people in the Nordic countries, they start working harder and more, and they saved every öre they could get their hands on. We have to go to America. We want to go to America. But the ticket on the first sailing ships was $50.
Okay.
Now that was the average annual income for people at that time. So can you imagine how long it would take before they could have enough money to buy their ticket? And if they came with family, how long that would take to get together that amount of money.
Yeah.
One whole year's of income. Plus, when they did that, the shipping line told them, you also have to have $25 in your back pocket to start your new life in the new country.